Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, it's going to be a little crazy. I'm going to try to do a few videos in one. Not really, but I'm going to tell you about a few because I have so much going on that the videos are upcoming and we're going to do what we can to get them up. Today, I am pressuring meat, and this is some beef from when we bartered for meat. I pressured chicken yesterday. I have the chicken broth ready to go into the canner. We're going to have canning meat and broth. Actually, it's just the broth. I'm not really putting meat except the giblets in it. And lots of other stuff going on in my kitchen. I'm going to show you what's going on. And excuse me, but we've got a pressure cooker going. I'm just trying to start it out in here so maybe you can hear me. We have our beef broth going. It's pressuring here. This is the chicken broth from yesterday, and this is diluted, so I'm going to add some water to this. I'm going to add water to this broth because it is going to be pretty stout broth, and we're going to can this today. Here, making Danny's pecan cookies. Can't do without the cookies, guys. Here, I'm going to be making Danny some biscuits. He's out of biscuits. We've got to deal with it. Here, going to be putting a roast in the crock pot because we've got to have supper. Here is our roast. I've got to get it browned and in the crock pot. Lunch is going to be hamburgers. They're thawing out. Eggs. Eggs, 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 eggs. Plus eggs. More eggs than we know what to do with. God has blessed us with a lot of eggs, so I've been freezing eggs. The lime water experiment's still going on. It's still 2 more weeks before we check it. And, hey, teaming. I'm drinking it. We're on day... I started August the 1st. I'm up to day 13 on the teamy drinks. Yo, videos coming on that. I will review teaming in the next few days. Maybe, if I have time. We're going to do teaming. Alright guys, the light isn't the best in here, but look at these potatoes. This is 2 rows. We've got, I think Danny said, 8.5, 9.5 more rows to go, plus raised beds, plus the hugel bed. Guess what? This is a lot of potatoes. Look at this potato. It weighed 3 pounds. Almost. That's a lot of potatoes. And Danny just brought me some peppers and okra. So I'm thinking I gotta put up peppers and okra today too. Busy, crazy day. So you see guys, I'm really busy throwing this video up to show you there's videos to come. Plus, on Deep South, Porch Time, Gardening 101. More on the chicken plucker, more on butchering chickens, sweet potato harvest. All these things are coming up this week. We have started harvesting the sweet potatoes, and as you saw, there's lots of them. So there's going to be a video. Lots and lots to do over the next week. But I got to be busy today. So thank you guys from Crazy Days. Not quite 10 o'clock in the morning, guys. I'm ready to do broth. I've got my stuff set up. My jars are ready. My water's ready. My canner. Fixed to start heating broth and getting it ready. The dishes are washed. As soon as I get my broth going, I'm going to brown the meat here, this roast, and put it in the crock pot. Still got eggs to go. The bones we're going to save for Hank. That's going to be some of his treats here in a few weeks. I've got the peppers and the okra put up, except for the hot peppers. I'm going to make some jalapeno poppers after a while. And I have Danny's biscuits and cookies ready. Not bad for before 10 o'clock, guys. I got a full day. Almost finished by lunch.